How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we're going to do a daily Kegel routine for men. So this exercise that we will be doing, you can do it every day if you want. This will help your Kegel muscles. It's a great exercise. We'll be doing 10 repetitions for this exercise. Then we'll take a break, probably 40 seconds, and we'll do 10 sets, 9 or 10 sets. Let's get started right now. The exercise is the side clam. So what you're going to do is you're going to get into this position. And then all we're going to do is open our legs like this. 2, 3, 4. Again, very easy to do. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, you guys. Very easy to do. Just opening up our legs from the side position. Very, very effective for our abs, you guys. Very effective. Look at the puppy just chilling over there, sleeping in her little bed I made her. Okay, the wife made it for her, but yeah. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Just chilling while I make my videos in the office. But yeah, Kegel exercises, I have quite a few to show you guys, so we'll be making more videos on that, so stay tuned. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Yeah, great exercise to do. We'll keep it up, another 10 repetitions in 5 seconds. Okay, let's do it. So again, on the side, and then just open up our legs like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew! Definitely feeling it in the Kegel muscles, my friend. What you can do, what I always say on my channel, is you can do more repetitions if you want. 20 reps would be fine too. For demonstration purposes, I'm only doing 10 reps. I feel 10 reps is good too for most beginners. And if you're just getting into the exercise, you're just starting out, then 10 repetitions is plenty. You have to realize too, we will be doing 9 or 10 sets. That's 100 repetitions, you guys. That's a lot of volume we're accumulating. 10 repetitions. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo-hoo-hoo. Just killing it. Did quite a bit today, you guys. If you guys don't know, I schedule my videos, so I might make like 10 videos in a day, and then I'll upload 3 videos per day. So if I make 10 videos, I'm 3 days ahead of the game. So that's what I like to do. I'm on my 8th video today, so I'm pretty tired. Did lots of workouts today, lots of exercises. Let's do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But yeah, that's what I like to do because I like to make a lot of videos every day. I get pretty motivated, and why I do this is because there are days where you get unmotivated. There are times where I can be unmotivated for like a couple of weeks even, but that doesn't happen too often. But when it does happen, I'll be way ahead of the game. So what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to make 9 videos per day. So that'll get me ahead 3 days every single time. So in 1 month's time, if I make 9 vids per day, I'll be ahead by 3 months, which is amazing. And then if something happens, couple of weeks, go on vacation, anything like that, you got videos uploaded and you're good to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But yeah, what I do is I only upload 3 videos per day though. 8 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, then 8 o'clock at night. I find 3 videos per day is the perfect amount of frequency. Doing anything less I don't like doing. Doing anything more is too much. 3 is like the perfect upload frequency. And then yeah, if you make more videos one day, some days I may only make 3 videos. Some days I may make 9. So I'll just get ahead of the game. Okay, another 10 repetitions coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo-hoo-hoo! Just killing it! Killing it! But yeah, we're over halfway done, you guys. Keep following along at home and you will see results. This is a great exercise for your kegel muscles. Okay, let's do another 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But yeah, I've done quite a few videos today. This is video number 8. I think I said that already, but yeah, video number 8. I've done 3 or 4 videos that were 10 minutes long, 10 sets, 10 reps. So of different exercises, I probably did like 400 or 500 reps today. It's a lot of repetitions. So I definitely get a workout in 2 every day, because every day I will do this. Get home from work and then I will do a couple hours of YouTube. I can make about 9 videos in, takes a couple hours, 2 hours for sure. Maybe 3, but we'll see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's see how long I did it today for. Yeah, I'd say about 2.5 hours. I'd probably do 2 hours, 2.5 hours. The days that I'm feeling a little bit lazy, maybe an hour and a half, but. Okay, we are almost done. 1 more set, and then that is it. We are done. So let's go 10 more reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is the end of the workout, you guys. And make sure you follow along at home. What I like to do is just have the video playing and just copy what I'm doing. Follow what I'm doing. If I'm doing 10 reps, do 10 reps. If I take a 40-second rest period, follow me, take a 40-second rest period. Just do it till the end of the workout. You will see results. No need to pause it. Just let the video play and just follow what I'm doing. Comment below. Let me know what you guys are thinking of these workouts. Really would like to know your guys' feedback. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thanks, everybody.